the hotel. I just landed in Sydney. You can literally see my luggage in the reflection. Liz is here with me with some of my other friends. It is the 24th of February, so if you can guess why I'm here, guess down below. But I just checked into my hotel. Oh my God, it is absolutely stunning. I have not seen anything yet. The first room is oh my God, this is like my dreams come true. This is what my house needs to look like. And then we have a massive bath, which I have like no time to do. Oh my God, there's a vanity. There is a vanity. I'm dying. This is stunning. And look how big this shower is. Holy moly. This room is huge. Place to put my luggage. Wow. Oh my God, it is so pretty here. Oh, they wrote me a note. That's so sweet. Oh my God, and a sweet little treat. It is a rocky road. Oh my God, wow. I feel like I've said wow a million times, but that was the doorbell, so be right back. The doorbell just went and I just got a little surprise. This is from Sharpie. Let's open it. This is so cute. This is a hair gem stamper, so it literally puts gems in your hair. I'll have to try that later. And then some nail stickers to bedazzle my nails, which is perfect because my nails are a little bit beachy at the moment, so I wouldn't mind jazzing them up if I get time. This is like the most high-tech thing I've ever seen. I can choose what temperature the room is. I don't even know what a good temperature is. Maybe like 22? Maybe like 21? It's definitely a big night, so I'm thinking in-room dining. I kind of just want some chippies. Ooh, Caesar salad, yum. Literally just going to get some chippies. And of course, I need a Diet Coke. Coke, no sugar. There we go. Oh, that's just the photo. How do I add it? $7. I don't know if I need it that badly. The room service was such a crazy price, so I think I just want to try some of this rocky road. It's like all marshmallowy. Trying to see if I can get these blinds open. Everything is so high tech. I think this is where I'm going to do my makeup. Hopefully this lights up. Yay! I'm actually surprised I didn't make much of a mess doing my makeup. Liz is here and we're all glammed up. We're ready to go. This hotel is so, so gorgeous. So we are heading to a Maybelline event. Maybelline event. Cheers. My lime. I have my lime. Oh, so pretty. Come in my little video. Trying to be a vlogger. Vlogging era, yeah.
Oh my God, this is gonna sound.
Maybe. Friendship bracelet.
What do you think? I mean, it's not that original.
Oh my God, it's so cute. How long did that take you?
All night.
Little makeup touch-ups. Nails. I am quickly back in my hotel room because I'm wearing these boots, but I want to be cozy, so I'm going to change the sneakers. I was just trying to find a Coke no sugar, and this door literally closes and there's like a full bar, wine and everything. It is so, so fancy. I will definitely take one of these and then head back to the party. Annabelle, you look amazing. Oh my God, skin for days. So the Maybelline event is done. I have my little Coke no sugar and now we're heading to a van. Can you guess where we're going? Head to part 2 to see if your guess is right.